Hi, welcome to Peter Science Academy. Example 4. So let me make it a little closer. 4 and 8 how about oh, I guess I missed the 7 right there. 7, 8, okay, 7, 8, and 10 is not posted. It's gonna be next page. Sorry about that, but I'm gonna explain to you. Very simple. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is his market I'm sorry. That's a price is X. We don't know the X. There's a marked price of the X is a marked, but then every time he 20% off. So 20% off. So 0.8x is a marked price for sale. Then, for example, he bought a tool $80, but he mark up 20% profit. So come up to what times 120 is $96. So this selling price 0.8 times X should be $96. So once you solve this, X is 120. Okay, number 7. Number 7 is the first week and second week. He say second week equals 25% more than X in X salary. So the second week was $110. So what is the first week? So you have to 1.25 times first week is the second week, right? So 1.25 times X is 110. So X is $88. Okay, number 7, number 8, that is what is the 10% of 20% of 30. So I'm gonna convert. Percent is 1/100, so 10% off times percent value 1/100, 20%, 20 times percent 100, 1/100, 30% of 1/100. So we can calculate this. Then 6,000 over 1 million. So we're gonna cancel out this one and this one right there. 6/1000. Making sure 6/1000 is a number, decimal number. So we're looking for percent, right? So you have to, what percent is this? So you have to times 100 each, the 100. So it's gonna be a 6/10% or 0.6%. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you another one. Number 10. It's gonna be next page, but I don't have enough space for this, so I'm gonna explain to you. Okay, there's education altogether, but student he want 80% 80% of correct answer. So he say 1 to 60 problem he got 75%. Then 60 to 80, what percent of a correct answer will make 80% of 80 in a question? So we can figure it out, using the basic, basic thing. So total 60 questions, 60% of 75%. This is a percent plus. Okay, leftover is 20 questions. 20% of what percent will be total 80% of 80 questions. So once you figure it out, 6 times 75, 1 over 145. This one is question right there, 20 times 1 over 105, 1 over 5. This one is 80%, percentage right there, 1 over 100, times 80 is 8. So question is, so I'm sorry, this should be question. Question should be 95. Okay? Next one is very, very important things, because I do probably tutoring, so they ask me about the why E is good for, but I will explain to you. Okay, this is very, 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 listen carefully. Limit, n is according to a big number, 1 plus 1 over n, parentheses, so n power is e. Okay, that's good. That means n is getting bigger and bigger. This number should be close to 0, not 0, close to 0, not 0. Make sure. So this number will be big. Okay. I'm going to explain detailed information about detailed calculation about this one. Another thing is this. This is same expression. N is going to approach to big number, and the other case n is getting to small number, not 0. Make sure it's not 0. 0.0001. Okay, so 1 plus n. This one is n is bigger and bigger. 1 over n is getting close to 0. Same as 1 directly going to 0, not going to close to 0. This number is very small, close to 0. Look at this one. N is approach to a big number. This number should be big, right? Okay, look at this one. N is getting too close to 0, such as 0.0001. Plug in right there. 1 over 0.0001 is a big number. So this one, these are same. So this one is the same expression. Okay, so it's going to be a E. Okay, now next one is this one. Okay, I'm going to compound interest. Okay, compound interest, they say question point, right? Question, not question point, question percent. But we have to change it to radius, not radius, that's decimal, such as 10%. That's going to be 0.1, right? Then we have to calculate it, right? First year, x plus r times x. So common factor right there, x is 1. X is 1 plus r, x times 1 plus r parentheses, right? Second year, this is initial. This is principal again. So second year is this x times 1 plus r plus r times principal. Principal is this. This I'm going to read the principal right there. Then x plus 1 plus r is a common factor, right? So I pull out x times 1 plus r. So leftover is this place is 1. Make sure don't say 0. Invisible 1 right there. So 1 plus r right there. Okay, then look at this one. Very interesting. X times 1 plus r times 1 plus r is x times 1 plus r squared, correct? Okay, then nth year should be x times 1 plus r n power. This one is, this x means initial investment. Initial investment. In physics, initial condition. In math, initial condition. Same meaning. Okay, then, okay, more interesting thing is we're going to do this I'm going to do, red block things again. Okay, x is right there. I'm gonna change to this way because look at this one right there. We're gonna use this one right there. This one. We're gonna use this one. So most of the students, they are occupied by n. What is n means? N means not just simple 1 or 2, 3 or 5. No, don't say this. Okay, n is, so I'm gonna change this to this equation to this using the apple. Apple is kind of substitution. 그러니까 애플은 여러분이 무슨 봉투라고 애플 패키지라고 생각하면 돼요. 빅 봉투. 그러면은 이것도 봉투에다 집어넣은 거예요. 애플 패키지. Then this plus power of apple. We don't know what's inside apple. It's still same E. So we call it substitution. 이거를 갖다가 substitution method라고 그래요. 이 봉투 안에 뭐가 있는지 몰라요. 여러분이 공부할 적에 X는 꼭 1, 2, 3, 4 그게 아니고 X 속에 뭐가 있는지 몰라요. 근데 학생들이 전부들 그 학교에서 배울 때 X는 1, 2, 3라고 그래서 그런 거예요. 그래서 F는 뭐가 있는지 몰라요. 그래서 이거 substitution 대치 방법이라고 그러죠. 그래서 we're gonna use that idea. Look at this one right there. So we're gonna use this one right there. This one, 1 over apple. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, 1 over apple is apple power. 1 over apple. That's formation. 그런 형태를 쓸 거예요. 그래서 이거를 고치니까는 1 over something으로 고치니까 이거는 R은 1 over R. N은 N 그대로. Okay. Then from here, this should be apple, right? So this is apple. Then this is gonna be apple. Then times R. Then make back to this. This 1 and it's so still same. So 1 over R is apple. So I'm gonna change 1 over R to apple right there. So 1 over R is apple. Then Rn is Rn right there. And X is still there. So that is X times 1 plus 1 over apple Rn, right? Look at this one. This one right there. This one is E, right? So look at this one. Next one is X is there, X is there. This part is E. So E right there, Rn right there, Rn. Okay, so this expression, so compound interest is expressed by this simple form. X is a first year initial investment, E times rate times what year. This one we're gonna use it, double proliferation. 여러분이 학교에서 하는 거 2배로 증가하는 거 세균이 반으로 반감기 더블기 그거 얘기하는 거예요. 근데 왜 이걸 쓰냐면은 이 컴파운드 인터레스트는 왜 이걸 쓰냐면은 예를 들어 가지고 균이 10개 있다고 그러면 10개가 동시에 확 퍼지잖아요. everything. 그러니까 원 있으면 거기에 또 퍼지고 또 퍼지고 또 퍼지고 그러니까는 컴파운드 인터레스트 스토리가 되는 거예요. 예를 들어 가지고 우리가 살면서 보면은 문제가 한꺼번에 복합적으로 동시에 일어나요. ubiquitously happen. 복합적으로 동시에 일어나잖아요. 그래서 compound interest를 쓰는 겁니다. 오케이? Thank you.